I was talking to my accountant about taxes this year, and at the end of the conversation, he said, listen, by the way, for my fees, I also accept crypto. And I said, great, that's really convenient for me, but why do you accept crypto for your fees? And the answer he gave me, I believe, is one of the best kept financial secrets out there, and I think it's going away soon. Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Corzine, your social media lawyer. Let's talk about why you should start accepting crypto for your online payments right now. Reason number one is to avoid big credit card fees. Now, if you're accepting payments through your website or some shopping platform right now, you're probably paying 25 cents plus 2 to 4% of the entire transaction to credit cards. In PayPal alone, they take 4% of a transaction. So a good example on PayPal is if you are going to have a $100 item, $4 is going to PayPal. Not so if you accept crypto. Many of the platforms out there take 0.5% as a transaction fee when you're accepting crypto for your services or your products online. Reason number two is to avoid bogus chargebacks. I don't know if you know what a chargeback is, but it's a complaint to a credit card company. Let's say you're a seller and the buyer wants to complain about it. He can go to his credit card company and they can reverse the transaction. They can take the money that he paid to you out of your bank account and return it to the buyer. But the worst part is that the bank or the credit card company does not require that the buyer return the product or service that you provided him. So oftentimes there's fraudulent chargebacks. So good example is like an online course. You sell an online course to a buyer. The buyer gets the login information, gets to use the online course, but maybe he wants to do a fraudulent chargeback. So he calls his credit card company. The credit card company reverses the charges, takes the money for the course out of your bank account, puts it back in his bank account. Now he has your money and he has your online course. And oftentimes there is a $20 or $100 chargeback fee that the credit card company charges you for the chargeback. To avoid that entirely, accept crypto for your sales online. It's just like cash. All sales are final. Reason number three to accept crypto for your online transactions is because for international customers, it's much faster. Maybe you don't realize, but if you are selling your online product or service to international customers, oftentimes the transaction takes between 48 and 36 hours to complete itself. If you're accepting crypto for those sales, usually the processing time is between 10 minutes and an hour. So it's much faster to use crypto for your online sales than it is to rely on traditional fiat currency. Reason number four to accept crypto is because a lot of customers want an anonymous purchasing process. With crypto, for the most part, it still could be considered an anonymous transaction. A lot of your customers would like some privacy in the transaction. And if they can just send over crypto from one of their accounts and not have to reveal address, cell number, phone number, name and date of birth and all that information, if they can do that, they're more apt to buy your product than from someone who takes traditional currency. And reason number five, the best reason to accept crypto for your online sales is because it allows a measure of anonymity for you, the seller. But you gotta act fast because this particular feature of crypto appears to be going away soon. So here's how the transaction typically goes. Once you receive the crypto from one of your customers, it will go in one of your wallets. That way you can protect it against hackers. Some of the crypto payment platforms actually have their own wallets. So once they receive the crypto transaction, it'll automatically go into your business's wallet. From that point forward, you can transfer the crypto in your wallet to an exchange. Now, exchanges like Coinbase, Bittrex, and Binance, they have what are called Know Your Customer practices, KYC practices. And basically what that means is they're gonna do their best to verify your identity in order for you to be able to trade on the platform. But there are other exchanges that don't have these KYC practices. I'm thinking of KuCoin, Shapeshift, and perhaps Kraken. These are ones that don't verify your identity and therefore allow you to trade on the exchange anonymously. Now we've talked about why you should start accepting crypto for your online sales. Now let's talk about how. And I gotta tell you, it's pretty easy. My favorite crypto payment platform is called coinpayments.net. I like it because the transaction fees are mostly on the lower range. It's 0.05%. So think of it this way. If you're selling a $100 product, the fee is 50 cents. That's way better than PayPal's $4 fee per $100 sold. What's really great about coinpayments.net, and I'm not sponsored, is it works with existing payment platforms like WooCommerce, Shopify, and OpenCart. You can also create a custom payment button for your website so people can buy your latest newsletter or your t-shirt and they click on a coinpayments.net button and then you receive crypto for that transaction. Now it's very easy to use. Just go to your browser, type in coinpayments.net, click on sign up, choose a personal or a business account. I chose business. Enter in your contact information and then enter in your merchant account information. Select which crypto coins you're going to accept. There's dozens and dozens on the list. Then choose how you will use the crypto payment interface. So you could use it through WooCommerce or you could create a custom button for your website. Now, after you have the coinpayments.net interface set up and someone has paid crypto to you, you just go into the wallet section and you can actually see the crypto in your wallet. From there, you can transfer the crypto to another wallet or to a person, or you can put it on exchange to be able to convert it into some other cryptocurrency. It's really easy. Now, let me show you how to use that crypto that you've earned to purchase NFTs. Don't know what that is? Well, then watch the next two videos.